Assalamu alaikum. So join me and add oil perfumes to my already soaked Kajiji Balls. So this is my oil perfume blend, traditional oil perfume blend. Then I added my sandalwood. Your bohur is not complete without sandal oil. So I added sandalwood. The traditional blend is just like oil perfume blend with like our unique like unbranded oil perfume. So I added my brown humra to just like hide the scent, and then this is how I burn my Kajiji balls. So I made these Kajiji balls October last year, and then I let it sit like for a very long time. So this is so amazing. When you burn a little, it goes a long way. It has amazing scent. It doesn't have like that the normal Kajiji scent, just like it has an woody scent, and then it's so long lasting when you burn these in your house. So this is it's just 1,000 naira per ball. You can get it. It's in limited quantity, so rush and order for yours now.